A wise database administrator would never assign a SysDBA privilege to a database user just to perform a backup or recovery. Security matters, right? But prior to Oracle Database 12c, we had no other options. But today we have. Let's explore them. What's up, Internet? I am Manish from rebellionrider.com. Welcome to the tutorial number 7 of the Oracle RMN Backup and Recovery series. Now that we have set up the FRA and archive log destination directory and have also enabled the archive log mode, the next step in setting up the Oracle database for backup and recovery is to create a backup and recovery user. In today's tutorial, that's exactly what we are going to do. So without wasting your time, let's learn how to create a backup and recovery user in Oracle database. Creating a backup and recovery user in Oracle database is a very simple two-step process. In step 1, we create a common user, and in the second step, we grant the necessary privileges. Let's start with the step number 1. To create the user, we will use create user DDL command like this. First, connect with your root container database using sysuser. Now, let's quickly clear the screen and verify the user and the container. Screen clear. We are connected with the database using sysuser. And we are connected with the root container. Next, we will not be creating a normal user account. Rather, we will create a common user. Since we want to perform the backup and recovery of the container as well as all the pluggable databases, thus we need a user which has access to both the pluggable and the container databases with almost equal privileges. With the launch of Oracle Database 12c, Oracle introduced a new concept which is called the common user. Every common user can connect and perform operations within the root container and within any PDB in which it has privileges. And the name of every common user must start with the C ## sign. Now let's carry on with our create user statement. To save your time, here is the explanation of this statement. I suggest you pause the video and take a good look. User created. Great. Now that we have created the user, next we have to grant the privileges. Prior to Oracle 12c, we had only one privilege that we can assign to the user for backup and recovery operations, which was SysDBA. Since SysDBA is a fully empowered database administrative privilege, thus it's not a good idea to assign it randomly to any user. It could lead to a catastrophic event. Keeping this glitch in mind, Oracle introduced a brand new privilege with the launch of Oracle Database 12c, and that is SysBackup. SysBackup privilege has all the necessary privileges that are required to perform backup and recovery of the Oracle database. And these privileges also happen to be a subset of SysDBA privileges. That means the user which has SysBackup privilege has all the power to perform backup and recovery, but not the privileges that can make him or her a potential threat to the database. Now let's learn how to assign SysBackup privilege to the common database user that we just created. Assigning SysBackup privilege to a user in Oracle database needs only one simple statement, like this. That's all you have to do. In case you want to revoke SysBackup privilege from the user, then you can issue a revoke DCL statement like this. SysBackup revoked successfully. Since we need our common user C ## backup admin to perform backup and recovery in future videos, thus let's undo the revoke statement. Rollback complete. That's it. That's how you create a common user and grant SysBackup privilege to it to perform backup and recovery using RMN in Oracle database. Hope you enjoyed watching. If you like this video, then give it a thumbs up. Otherwise, press the thumbs down. But make sure to subscribe if you want to learn how to properly perform the backup and recovery of the Oracle database. Also, press the bell icon to get notified. Thanks for watching. This is Manish from rebellionrider.com.